How's it going, everyone? I hope you guys had a great Christmas and New Year. I just wanted to put a quick video out just to say thank you so far for subscribing to the channel, liking my videos, and commenting on my videos on my channel. So we've just hit 3,000 subscribers, and that's something I never really anticipated when I started my channel. I had really just created the channel to share some things I had learned in Ruby on Rails over the years. So I've worked on several startups, and Ruby on Rails just seemed to be like a platform that I really enjoyed working with. So the framework has just been really great for me to build projects quickly, and I just wanted to illustrate how easy it is to build platforms in Ruby on Rails. And that was the real reason I started my channel, just to share some of that knowledge. But over the last year and a half, I think I've created more than like 40 videos. In comparison to some other channels, that is a small amount of videos, and that's something I want to work on over the coming year. So over the coming year, I want to try and put a lot more content out. And beginning with January, I'm planning to put out a video every single day. And if that goes well, then I will continue to do that throughout the year. So my goal for this year is really to get the channel up to 400 videos. And that's going to take a lot of work on my part. But it's also going to mean I need to vary the type of content that I create. So right now it's almost all Ruby on Rails content. Mostly I will be doing a mix of content. And that might mean that there are some videos on the channel that you may not want to see. I understand that if you don't watch every video, that's completely fine, but there will still be Ruby on Rails content coming out. It will just be mixed a little bit to include other how-to videos and other content on the channel. So I completely understand if you want to turn off notifications if you have them turned on already. So I will be releasing a lot of content, and it may pop up a lot in your feed if you are using notifications for the next while. So I completely understand, but I do hope that you stay subscribed to the channel, as there will be a lot more content that is useful to you in the future. So again, I just want to thank you all for your support so far while I've been creating videos for YouTube. And even on my courses on Udemy, a lot of you guys have been really great and just like buying the courses and leaving good reviews. It's a lot more than I could have ever expected. I really had no idea how my content was going to be perceived on YouTube, whether it was going to be enjoyed by people or whether I was going to get a lot of abuse for posting certain kinds of content. So it's really great to see that the majority of people really enjoy these videos. I just wanted to thank you guys and give you a heads up about what kind of content to expect in the coming months. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much as always, and I will see you in the next one.